What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how you can make free calls to any number in the world with your Android smartphone or your Android powered tablet. All you have to do, download the app I'm about to show you, and then you basically use the app to call any number in the world for 100% free. This does not use the number connected to your mobile phone. It gives you some random number that's undetectable for reverse lookup things. So what you're going to do is search Magic Jack on the Google Play Store and download the first one. The picture will say talk free and it will say free calls with Magic Jack. Just install that. It should only take a couple seconds, accept. Wait for that to download. Once it's finished installing, you can just go ahead and open it up right away. And it should ask you if you would like an account to register with. For me, I just hit the bottom one, continue to make calls with no account. So basically, I'm just too lazy to, register just to avoid this screen. I'd rather click that. If you're someone who doesn't like things popping up, go ahead and register. Basically, it's free, but it will stop that thing from popping up. So here you have it. Once you're in the app, this is your phone. You can basically call any number in the world. So let's put in some random number, 6668 or something. Call. And it gives you some options during the call, like to put it on speakerphone. You can bring up the keypad here, hide the keypad, and you can also mute it.
It's not in service. Please check the number and try your call again. The number you have reached.
Not sure if you heard that, but since this is a random number, the number's not in service. It did go ahead and make the call. It is a fully functional phone. Sorry about that, something in my throat. So yeah, you can call any number. I just demonstrated how it works. That's about it. You can go ahead and just go and call some of your contacts right from the bottom also. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So go download Magic Jack, comment, rate, and subscribe if you like my videos.